how to set caption calls to ask every time, always or off, on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. From here, tap on live caption. Then scroll down and then tap on caption calls in the live caption encode section. From the pop-up, you can choose ask every time, always or off. So here we can choose always, caption calls, or off. So select one of the options. Then finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.